In this lesson, we will be learning our next new chord, which is called A. To play the chord A, we put our second finger in the second fret on the first string, which is the G string. And then we place our first finger in the first fret on the second string, which is the C string. You can see the letter O above the E and A strings, indicating that we should play these two strings as open strings and not place any fingers on these strings. Just like the previous chord we learned, the chord D, you can strum all the strings for this chord, as well as all the other chords that we will be teaching in this course. So let's try to play the chord A together 4 times using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will start after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A,